yourself for the eating
Because it's my last day at work.
I've been working at this place for 3 years, and I've actually quit, as you can see in that video. And that's the lesson in life: when you don't think something is right, even though the circumstances doesn't add up, you follow your heart. Very important. Now I'm gonna put the Peugeot silencer for the last time ever in my life. Thank God for that.
Baby mama kiss me, but she glad I'm gone. She know me and her sister had something going on. I reached my peak, I can't speak. Call my nigga cheap, tell him that my will is weak. I'm sick of niggas lying, I'm sick of bitches talking. Matter of fact, sick of talking. Sick of niggas lying, I'm sick of bitches talking. Matter of fact, sick of talking.
Just finished last day. Feels actually really nice to complete that. And I'm gonna wash the car. So I hand washed the car. I love using this product. It's called Spray and Seal. We put it on the paint. It's like a protection, and it's also really water absorbent, so all the water is removed from the paint, which is quite cool. It's like luxury for a car. I don't need that much actually. Now I'm over consuming, if I'm honest. And you also don't have to rub it in or something, just take water and remove it. Vacuum! Car is so fucking dirty. So vacuum the car, it looks much better. And now it's just a process of cleaning the seats and putting some protection on them to make them soft and nice. Right now they're really harsh, and then I'm gonna actually use a steam machine to clean the underneath of it. And then I have to replace the light, I have to refuel. I'm also gonna change the front wind wipers. I replaced the rear one, including the arm. So that's the mission for today. I've owned this car now 2 months, and I still think it's so it's a relaxing car to drive, and I love the characteristic of it. For example, last weekend, as you can see in the video previously, we actually towed a car, and I basically drove the car all day, almost 1,000 kilometers, and it felt so nice and so comfortable. So I am truly in love with the Audi A6. So as you can see right now, the car, I cleaned it a little bit, but it's still actually quite dirty. And the seats are really dirty, as you can see here from the black stains. And then you get the middle one, get the other seat. Up on the dash is a ton of dirt. Same thing as in the rear. It's also actually very, very dirty. It's not been washed in a proper long time, and it's actually really, really dry. And here as well, really dirty. But that will make this car look really cool. I cleaned it so it looks much better than it did before. But the rust is killing me. This is gonna be fixed. So we'll dive down to Auto Corner headquarters, where I will clean this Audi. This is what I call ghost riding the whip. Ghost riding. I've never actually filmed my own car while it is moving, which is actually, this is the first time ever on auto cars. I would not recommend this is not very safe. First thing we're gonna do is actually remove these ugly ass lights from the number plates and installing LEDs. Bam! Looks much better. Ah, low battery.
Sick of niggas lying, I'm sick of bitches talking. Matter of fact, sick of talking.
Finally done. I'm so happy with the result. It's really dark in here, so you can't see anything. But the seat looks really chocolatey brown. The steering wheel is really clean. The side doors are really, really cleaned. Same thing for the rear of the car. It's also cleaned. I got new lights in the trunk, or for the number plate. These screws are really hard to get out. Sometimes they are rusted, but the easiest way is actually to remove the license plate so you get more room to work in. In here also I cleaned this part. I've not cleaned this part, the ground of the trunk, but I will clean that on a different time. But I'm happy with that. I also need to replace parking sensors. I ordered them, I got them in the car. That's for another day, because right now I'm going to take out this beast, the old Bmw 328, and we're going to have some fun with it.
Hur många gånger tror du vi stoppar ikväll?
0 times. I have to figure out this 328 is magnificent, but in front of us there is a 960, bro! Or 940?
745.
745, sorry. Look at this beautiful car. This Swedish hunk of shit. Look at it. Look how beautiful it is. Oh my god. This thing is magnificent. Probably got like 95 horsepower in this thing. Oh yeah, look at this car. And a happy man inside of it. He's in the asshole driving E36 mode. Sounds so good though. Extra horsepower to turn out. Oh. you have to slowly be in the corner, in the mid, a lot of angle, full throttle, and release the clutch. So get the ass out. Smoke is just oh my god. So we got some drinks and same road, and this time we found an M4 GTS. Is it the GTS? I think the name of it is the GTS. You should have bought the GT3, but it's still a very, very cool car. It actually reminds me a little bit of the E36 because the ass is really high up, see? It's just like your car.
We're gonna go get the M5 now. Time to change.
Time to change cars. Doubling the horsepower.
Awesome.
Please stay. Det var riktigt fint faktiskt. Han drog en hel gas.
Ska vi bara jaga folk och tävla?
Yes. RPMs. It's enough. It's enough. Åh nej, det påminner om mina bromsar. Oh my god. There we go. Fix that. This is why I love E36. You have a rattling sound. You just hit the car and it goes away. Oh, yeah. It pulls good, man. So this is the day after, sun is shining. Car is cleaned up and it looks magnificent. It looks actually really, really good. I'm really happy with the seats, the way they look, and also in the rear with the blinds. Everything here is cleaned up, really cool. You can see I have still some leather cream on it. I need to wash out. So happy with the result. Thank you for watching this video, and the new video that will come next week is me buying an old Bmw 323. It's only a 3-owner car, and it's pretty much all the optional extras you can get back in the day, which is really special. So yeah, next week. Next week's for you, but now for me.